Is your secretary sending text reminders all day? That's not a secretary. That's an expensive paperweight. You are paying a salary for copy paste. The client journey is simple. Book, confirm, service, review. The problem. Every one of those steps is usually handled by a human bottleneck who forgets half the time. Our AI is hardwired for the entire client lifecycle. It automatically confirms the appointment, sends a reminder 24 hours out, and sends a job complete text with a personalized thank you, and the best part. It sends the review request while the client is still happy. It's a flawless system designed to eliminate no-shows and guarantee you collect that valuable 5-star social proof. Stop paying your staff to do non-money generating tasks. Free them up to do billable work. Let the AI handle the repetitive perfection that drives your business growth. Go to the link in bio right now. Start your 14-day trial money back guaranteed. It's time to automate perfection.